Okay, so Chris and I have, oh well, we're over there. Chris and I have gone 200 metres and then down another 100 metres. Yeah, go ahead, Jeff.
These spots from up here, the middle of that fall away area.
I don't like this bit. You'd have to go around that side. See, there's the tephra dam slightly cooled on that side, and it's dropped even further.
Red, continue your path more to the right by about 10 degrees, 15 degrees to your right. Yes, that'll be better.
Yeah, 10 metres away from the edge.
Is it as hot as the surface of the sun?
I won't be able to stay near the edge for much longer. Yeah, it's yeah, pretty hot.
Oh, what's it look like?
I can't find any words to describe it. It is amazing. Just being stuck in here, it's yeah, it's huge. And just seeing the activity this close, totally different to Benbow and Murrum.